Hello everyone, good evening to you all. Welcome back to our channel. This is the day 5 of our series of human development wherein we are solving the MCQs. They are most likely to be asked in the coming exam. So be prepared. It's just a quick revision for you. So the first question is, which of the following reflexes is present at birth and typically disappear by 3 to 4 months of age? The given options are A. Moro reflex, B. Babiskin reflex, C. Stepping reflex, D. Palmer grasp reflex. Let's understand these options one by one. The first one is Moro reflex, which is a sudden movement or a loud noise. So this is how a child react in a Moro reflex. It appears like it is present at birth and disappears around 4 to 6 months. Then we have second, that is Babiskin reflex. So this is how it looks like when we stroke a sole of a baby's foot. He fans out his 2 fingers, as you can see in the zip. So it appears like it is present at the birth and disappears somewhat around 12 to 14 months. The next option was stepping reflex, in which the child actually we all have stepping reflex when we are born. It disappears somewhat near the 2 months, and we reappear this as we learn to walk in the further milestones. So here, if the feet of a baby will be touching the surface, he'll move those feet, as you can see in the video. Like he'll take steps, he'll put the foot one forward to other. So that is our stepping reflex. Then that there is palmar grasp reflex, which means when we'll apply the pressure on the palm, like anything, we'll put pen or finger, the child will grabs it. The way he's grabbing it in the zip, as you can see, sorry, it appears at the birth and disappears someone around 6 months. Coming back to our question, which was asking about of the following reflexes, in which is present at the birth and typically disappear from 3 to 4 months. So after seeing and understanding each options, we can say that option number A, that is Moro reflex, is the correct answer. Next question is, the rooting reflex is characterized by a baby turning its head towards the side where its cheek is touched. Option B, the baby extending its arm when startled. C is the toes pinning out when the sole is stroked. Option D is a baby curling its fingers around an object placed in its palm. So let's see what is a rooting reflex. Rooting reflex is when the baby's cheek is stroked and he turns his head towards the stimuli and opens their mouth. Like he thinks that it is for the feeding. Okay, so he just turn around the stimulus. It is present at the birth and disappear around the 4 month. Okay. So for the rooting reflex, the option number A, a baby turning its head towards the side where its cheek is touched, is our correct answer. Next question. Which reflex is tested by stroking the sole of a newborn's foot to see if the toes fan out? A. Grabs reflex. B. Babiskin reflex. C. Moro reflex. D. Tonic neck reflex. So we have actually seen this in the earlier first 3 slides. So this is Babiskin reflex. When the baby's sole is stroked, he fans out his toe fingers. Please remember the disappearing month of this, that is 12 to 14 months. 12 to 24 months, like around 1 to 2 years, this will disappear. So the correct answer will be B, that is Babiskin reflex. The tonic neck reflex, often called the fencing position, is observed when A. The baby turns its head to one side and extends the arm on that side. B. The baby's arms and legs extend when startled. C. The baby withdraws its leg when the foot is pricked. D. The baby flexes its arm when the foot is stroked. So we have also actually seen the tonic neck reflex. So this is a tonic neck reflex. The baby's head is turned on the one side and arm of the neck opposite side will be extended. See how the baby's head is towards the left side in the video, and the arm of the right side is moving. Okay, the opposite side. So it is present at the time of the birth and disappearance about around 4 to 6 months. This will disappear when the child will learn to turn over. In the milestones PPT, we have seen that in the yesterday's class. I have told you the milestone is when the child turns. Like if you lie them in the on the tummy, he'll turn to the back. He'll take the turn. So after that, someone around that, it will disappear. The tonic neck. So the correct answer will be A. The baby turns its head to the side and extend the arm on that side, like on the side. On the side, he's turning his head, the arm will be extended on that side, and the movement of the arm will be of the opposite side. See, just remember this for the tonic neck. Which reflex involves a baby making stepping movements when held upright with its feet touching the flat surface. So this one is the easy one. Option A is motor reflex, B is stepping reflex, C is grasp reflex, and D is rooting reflex. So this is our stepping reflex. The surface, when the feet are touching the surface, he's taking a step, at least movement of his stepping. It disappears around the 2 months. So stepping, that is option number B, is the correct answer for this question. Next, which reflex help an infant find the nipple during breastfeeding by turning the head and opening the mouth when the cheek is stroked? Okay, here he's the question is talking about how he finds the nipple. Okay, the given options are A, motor reflex, B, rooting reflex, C, Babiskin reflex, and D, stepping reflex. So the rooting reflex is the reflex when baby identify the nipple. So when the cheek is struck, he'll turn the head towards the stimuli and open the mouth. It will disappear in around the 4 month. So the correct answer will be B, rooting reflex. Next question, the sucking reflex. Now we also have a sucking reflex. Okay, the sucking reflex is crucial for an infant's survival because it, option A is help the baby to hold onto the object. Option B, enables the baby to clean their airway. C, facilitate feeding by causing the baby to suck when the roof of the mouth is touched. Option D, encourages the baby to open their eyes in response to the light. So the most appropriate answer, this is basic reasoning question actually. I don't have any exact explanation for this. So I actually have an answer to it. Like C is the correct answer. Sucking reflexes which facilitates feeding by causing the baby to suck when the roof of the mouth is touched. That is our correct answer. The next question is, according to Miller partners, stages of play. Which type of play involves children playing side by side without interacting with each other? A, solitary play, B, parallel play, C, associative play, D, cooperative play. Let's see the types of play. So I'll explain each of the play here. The first one is unoccupied play. Here, child is not actually playing anything. She's just observing outside the window and she's just enjoying that. That is also a type of play which is called unoccupied play. Then there is solitary play, which means a child is involved with his own story. He's playing by himself. He has his toys and he's making his story and he's playing with himself only. He don't need any other person. Then we have onlooker. Onlooker means the child is not actually playing. He's just seeing the other person playing. He's just observing him. That's it. Then we have parallel play. Parallel play means that both the child are sitting together side by side, and they are playing their own thing. Like she's coloring, she is painting something, he is also painting something. They are not working together, so that's a parallel play. Then we have associative play. Associative play is they are involved in a same activity, like they both are building blocks, but they are building their own blocks. They are not working in a similar block pyramid. She had her own blocks and he has his own block. He is building his own blocks. They are both. This is what associative play means. This is not a parallel play. This is an associative play because they have the same game. Like the blocks are the game and they are building, like they're using the same thing. Then there is cooperative play, like a Monopoly, and we have also played Ludo, Snake and Ladder. Many games we have played in the childhood. That is our cooperative play. Now coming back to our question, which was asking about the types when a children are playing side by side without interacting with each other. That is our parallel play. Okay. Next question, which type of a play is characterized by children engaging in make-believe and pretending to be someone else? The A option is constructive play, B is functional play, C is pretend play, D is cooperative play. So let's understand each of the play. I have come up with the very colorful images for you people. So if you talk about the constructive play, they are constructing something together. Here they have blocks and they are building together something. The functional play is where some kind of a movement, like a physical functioning is happening. So hop and scotch is the hop on, I guess, which is, this is what we call it. This is our functional play. When we talk about pretend play, here we pretend to be someone. Like, see how child are engaged in, like, I'm a pirate and I'm flying and I'm on the air balloon. So yeah, they have their story and they're pretending to be someone else. That is our pretend play. Then there is cooperative play that I have explained in the earlier slide, like Monopoly game, where four people will sit around and they will cooperate with each other and they'll play a game. So the correct answer for the question will be, which was asking us, make believe in pretending to someone else. This will be option number C. Pretend play is the correct answer. Next question. During which type of a play do children work together towards a common goal, such as building a tower or playing a team game? Options are A, solitary play, B, parallel play, C, associative play, D, cooperative play. Let's see each option. So this is our solitary play. As I have told you, child will be engaged in his own games and playing alone by himself. Then parallel play, they both are engaged in their own activities and they are playing separately but sitting together. It's just that. Then we have associative play, where child are associated with each other. Okay, then there is cooperative play, like they'll sit together and play a game. So the correct answer for working together towards a common goal, so that will be a cooperative play, working together to win the game. Okay, common goal. So they are playing as a team. That is a D, cooperative. Next question. What type of play is most commonly seen in toddlers and involves repetitive actions such as stacking blocks or filling and emptying containers? Option number A, functional play, B, constructive play, C, pretend play, D, onlooker play. So you have seen the picture of constructive play. You have seen what is functional play. You know what is pretend play now. And onlooker play is, I have one child is playing and other is just observing. That is our onlooker play. So the correct answer for toddler repetitively actions like this is our functional play will be the correct answer. This is like some kind of a function is involved here. Repetitive actions are involved. That is our functional play. Next, which stage of play, according to Patton, is marked by children observing other play but not joining in? Very easy question. A, cooperative play, B, associative play, C, onlooker play, D, parallel play. Let's understand each type of a play. Parallel play, like they both will be sitting together, but they are playing their own game. Onlooker play is where when a child is just observing, not involved in any kind of a play, he don't even want to join the game. Then associative play, they are working as a team, but have a competition with each other. Like there are two teams and they have a competition. Then there is a cooperative play. They have a same goal, like they want to win, and they are working as a team. So, observing other play is the example of C, that is onlooker play. They don't want to join in. They are just looking and they're enjoying by looking. Then, which type of play involves children manipulating object to create or build something, such as blocks or drawing? Options are A, functional play, B, constructive play, C, pretend play, and D, cooperative play. Very easy. So constructive play is when they are constructing blocks or something. Functional, pretend, I have told it again and again. So cooperative play also, now you have understood. I hope so. So the correct answer for this will be manipulating object will be to build something or draw something will be the constructive play. They are constructing something. They are building something. Okay, so option number B will be the correct answer for this. Next, in which type of play do children play independently but are interested in what other children are doing without directly interacting with them? A, solitary play, B, onlooker play, C, associative play, D, parallel play. Independently, we know, I am again and again telling you that solitary play is when they are involved independently and they are just enjoying themselves. Onlooker is they are looking and not involved in the game. Then we know parallel play and associative play, I have explained. So independently, but are interested in what other children are doing will be the parallel play. They are playing with their own, like see, she's having a teddy bear, she's playing her own game. This boy has a car and ball, he's playing his own game. They are not, they are playing independently, but sometimes they look, okay, what the other person is doing, and they will be interested in their own game only. So that is D, parallel play. At what age do children typically begin engaging in cooperative play when they interact and work together towards a shared goal? So this is a very important milestone. A option is 1 to 2 years, B option is 2 to 3 years, C option is 3 to 4 years, and D option is 4 to 5 years. So this is when a child develop a cooperation, to share things. So which age that will be? Let's see. So for unoccupied play, like the child is looking but not playing anything, that will be 0 to 3 months. Like she's looking, see how she's enjoying, like watching her mother enjoy. Solitary play is 0 to 2 years, like child will be involved with his own game and not interested to play with anyone else. Onlooker play behavior is 2 years, where child will look what other person is doing. Parallel play is for 2 plus years, where they will playing their own game and sometimes they'll see what the other person is, but they will be interested in their own game. Associate play is for 3 to 4 years, where child start to interact with other during the play, but there is no cooperation required. Like a child will be playing in a playground, but doing their own different things. Okay. Cooperative plays for 4 plus years, where child will sit together, they'll interact, they'll share the activity, and they will involve in the play. So the age will be option number D, 4 to 5 years is the correct answer for cooperative play. So from this slide, you know the age group of each six kind of a play. Okay, this is important. Just revise that before the exam. So we wish you all the best for tomorrow. I know you have studied everything and we have faith on you people. Trust yourself. If you don't get any answer, just take a deep breath and move forward. It's okay. We'll come back to that question again. And have faith in yourself. And please don't leave any question. Mark every answer because there is no negative marking. So, never know when you are going to get lucky. Okay. So, answer each and every question. Don't leave anything. All the very best. Thank you for joining us. Do share your reviews after the exam.